Okay, eFlite P-51. This time we're coming out on a Gens Ace 3S 2200. So we'll see if that lighter pack and overdriving the elevator will help us keep the nose from tipping over. Wind straight out of the south. All right, here we go. Get some speed up. Come off the gear. Almost stalled it right there. Lighter pack, and it seems to be dropping the nose down some. Alright, let's try a high-speed pass in front of us here down low. Come out of the turn. There is full throttle right there. World of difference between it and the 4S pack. I find myself with this 3S pack flying it at 80 to 100% throttle the entire flight. Which I think is going to give us shorter flight times and a harder workout on the electronics. So a 4S pack is going to be a whole lot more efficient on this. Just need to stay away from that HD pack on it, I think. So big, it I had to modify the little battery tray in order to get it the HD battery to slide in there. Go vertical. And she's out right there. Ran out quick. Got about a minute left. Actually, we're going to go ahead and start setting up for a landing. Just so we'll have a little time left on the pack. Been flying it pretty, like I said, pretty high anyway. There goes the gears. Ooh, big gust of winds. Try a little rudder there. And it's a little better on the nose over. Of course, got a little more breeze going right now. You can see the flag over there. On the 4S pack, we had just a slight breeze. Alright, eFlite P-51 Mustang 1.2 meter size, June 9th livery. Overall, pretty decent little flyer. I think I had mentioned in a previous video that I think as far as flyability, I think the if I had to rate them, I would go Spitfire. For sure the Spitfire. I like the way it flies much better than this. It takes off, it lands better. Everything on it is better. Mustang, gotta love the looks, and it flies okay. You know, don't get me wrong. It's a good flyer, but I think it's just. I was looking in there a while ago. The control rod for the elevators in the middle, or excuse me, yeah, it's on the middle hole. So I need to move that out to the outside so it gets a little more throw into it, or on the inside, I should say. All right, thanks for watching.